Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're just here today to unbox our new Harry Potter GeekGear box for the month of July.
Hello! I'm back.
We've got Georgia back. She's back from her visit with her dad. And
it's been a while.
It has been a while, hasn't it? Yeah, so we're going to get in and I'm going to pass it over to Georgia and she can unbox it.
First off, we see this monthly shirt.
The monthly shirt's wrapped in plastic.
Surprisingly.
I know, it's not usually wrapped in plastic, is it? Hold on, I've got to figure out how to open it. Alright. So let's have a look at this month's shirt. And we've got...
It seems like it's a deer.
The stag, the Patronus.
Yes.
So if you have a look, you can see that there's like a little forest theme up in the antlers and like a little scene down in the face of the stag. That's pretty cool. Alright, what else have we got? Oh! Show it, hold it up.
We got a giant lollipop.
Oh,
it says magical treats.
Very cool. I guess I know who's going to take that. I don't think I'm going to get any of that, am I?
You don't even like lollipops.
No, I don't. So you can have that one. All
now,
right.
a mystery
Oh,
thing.
mystery box? Oh, stop it.
It's like a little, it's like the cake box with Harry Potter's cake.
Oh, don't lose the box because that's part of the thing. Yeah, so we've got a little happy birthday, Harry. Little cake. That's cute. Can I just give you that as your birthday cake? Just this? Will that do?
You could make a real one of that. Since I'm having a Harry Potter birthday party.
True. Georgia turns 11 at her next birthday, so she's going to get her acceptance to Hogwarts. So, Alright.
What about?
Oh, our little scratch card. Let's see if we win nothing. Because we always win nothing. Better luck next time. Oh, done.
No, I'm really excited for this because it's like, has like unicorns here and everything, and it's like really pretty. Ooh.
Oh, that's
what
cool. That's Luna Lovegood's necklace.
Wait, oh wow.
With the cork and all on it. So we've got Luna's necklace with the cork. That is so cool. So for me, I'm a Ravenclaw, and when I dress up in my Harry Potter-ness,
She's always Luna.
I'm always Luna, and the only thing I never had was the necklace.
I've really never noticed the necklace.
Haven't you? You need to watch the movies some more. But I've got my necklace now to finish off my costume. How cool is that?
What does she use it for?
It protects her from oh, now I'm trying to think.
You need to watch the movies as well.
I need to read the books again, not watch the movies. But it protects her from something. I can't remember off the top of my head.
And then we have our monthly tea.
Yep.
Wolfsbane.
What's
Wolfsbane tea.
So that's what Lupin takes to kind of keep him from turning into a werewolf.
Really?
And it's green tea and peppermint. Oh, well,
peppermint!
You can have that too. I don't like peppermint, so...
Look, you don't?
Not a big fan of mint, no. That's why you guys have all the mint chocolate and mint ice cream and I don't. Ooh.
We have the scroll.
We have another scroll. It looks like another proclamation from... Alright, here we go. We've got another decree from the High Inquisitor. So it says, Educational Decree number 98. Those wishing to join the Inquisitorial Squad for extra credit may sign up in the Inquisitor's High Office. Maybe I should... I've framed the other one that we got a couple of boxes ago. I need to frame this and I need to put them up in my classroom.
Because
it's kind of cool.
And then we have our monthly print until the very end.
Until the very end. And it's got the, I think it's Harry's wand.
And Hermione's.
And Hermione's wand. Yeah. Cool. Is that it?
All we have is a card.
Yep, so that's it. So all we've got left in there is some wiggly worms and
That I've eaten before.
and our little information card. So it just goes through what obviously we got in the box. Let's just make sure we got everything. Ooh. Yep. And next month's hint is it's going to be house related. Woo! So I'm going to get some Ravenclaw stuff. Oh, and someone's going to want to go off and eat the lollipop. You're not having the lollipop tonight.
But it can be my dessert.
That's too much. You can have some.
Yay.
Alright. So thank you for checking in with Georgia and I. She's too busy looking over there what she can steal. It's like, what are you taking?
I think that my favourite thing was the lollipop as a treat and then the happy birthday Harry cake.
My favourite thing is my lunar necklace. It'll go good with my spectroscopes and all the other bits that I wear.
I have a question.
Yeah.
The words are spelt wrong.
I know, because Hagrid isn't very good at spelling. And he sat on it, so it's all cracked. And it's very, very Hagrid style. You're right. Alright, so we will join you next month when we get our August box. And I'm looking forward to seeing what the Ravenclaw house stuff is.
Gryffindor.
And we will see you then. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. We'd love that. Say welcome back, Georgia, my little Gryffindor. And as always, remember...
And she hates that I'm Gryffindor.
I don't hate that you're Gryffindor. I think Gryffindors are great. I love the braveness and the courageousness. I think it's great. I use my brains. You use your heart.
I also use my brain.
You do use your brains, yes. Okay, as always, remember, be kind, be strong, and...
be a warrior.
And we'll see you later.
Bye. Bye.